Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the Revo uninstaller software, and like the name says, it's software designed to help you uninstall software on your computer. Now obviously you can do that from Windows, from Programs and Features, but this kind of takes it a step further. So let's just get into it and I'll show you how it works here. So we're going to open it up after we installed it. And we have the main screen here. And we're on the uninstaller tab, and that'll show you what programs it found to uninstall. This is just a Windows 10 VM, so I don't have much on here. So we're going to want to get rid of this Adware antivirus. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on uninstall. We can also do the change or repair. And it's going to bring up this warning here saying that it found two programs. So it's going to remove leftovers from both of them. There's Adware Updater and Adware Antivirus. So we're going to say yes. This is probably not going to happen all the time for you. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a restore point first. And you might get a message saying failed to create restore point. If that's the case, you don't have it turned on. And to do that, you just want to go to your system properties. And then system protection. And then make sure that it's turned on for your C drive there. And that'll fix that. Okay, so now that the uninstaller is going, it's bringing up the standard Adware uninstaller. It doesn't have its own installer for Revo. It just brings up the one that comes with the program. So we're going to click on remove. And we're going to go here and next. And I'll go through and do the normal uninstall as if you're doing it from Programs and Features. Okay, so now that the uninstall is complete, we pause it there because you don't want to sit there and watch the bars go by. It's going to want us to reboot for Adware, so we're going to say close because we're not going to do that now. And so now we're back at the uninstall screen for Revo. And so, okay, so it did the uninstall. And now we want to do the scan part to scan for leftover files. And there's three modes. There's safe, modern, and advanced. So each mode digs a little deeper into the files and registry to look for leftover stuff. So we're just going to keep on the default moderate and click on scan. And now you can see it found all these leftover things, some registry items. And if we want to get rid of them, we just click on select all and then delete, because if we click on finish, it's going to ask us if we want them to get rid of them anyway. So we'll click on delete and yes. And so now that's all done and it's off the list. So simple as that. And then in the Pro version, this is the free one, there's another feature where you could go into a program that was already uninstalled and then go back and look for leftover stuff after the fact. Okay, so now that we have this uninstall done, that's the easy part. So there's some tools that come with it as well. And so you'll see on the left, here's the tools that we have, like the Auto Run Manager. This is kind of like what MSConfig or the system configuration utility will do, where you can go in and see what things are set to start up with Windows, and then you could turn them off by unchecking the box. Junk File Cleaner will go through your system and look for junk files, kind of temp stuff you could clean up, kind of like what CCleaner does. Then we have all these Windows tools for the next section. And these are just standard Windows tools, but they put them all in one place for you. So if you want to look at your services or do a defrag, you can do that from here. Browser Cleaner, it'll just clean up all your temporary files and cookies and history from various browsers. So whichever ones you have, you just check the box. So let's say you only want to do your Internet Explorer, not your Firefox. You can just check those, and it'll just clean Internet Explorer. Office Cleaner, so if you have Office installed, it'll clear the recent documents history for various Office programs. Windows Cleaner, this will clean up certain items too, like if you want to clear your history from the Start menu or the Search menu or any Paint files or WordPad files, that kind of thing, into your recycle bin and so on. Evidence Remover, this will go through and permanently wipe files that you don't want to be recoverable anymore. They say it's impossible to recover them, but I guess you never know. So you can kind of go through there and pick some files and have it, actually not pick files, but you go through and have it search for deleted files and it will go through and permanently wipe it out. Now see, it says here this tool only affects the deleted files, so you don't have to worry about it deleting your non-deleted files. And then there's the unrecoverable delete, so you could add files or folders here and then have them be deleted and then also wiped so they can't be recovered. So once again, that's what they say, but I'm sure there's always a way to get them back if somebody really wanted to, but you probably have to have some pretty expensive tools to do so. So that's pretty much it for Revo Uninstaller. If you want to upgrade to Pro, you can do it here and just pay them money. It's probably like $30 or so or whatever, but you'll get some extra features. So if you look at the link underneath the video, you can go to our page and it shows the differences between the free, the Pro, and the portable version, which you could actually take and stick on a flash drive and run it from there, which is kind of cool. So anyways, that's it for Revo. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.